Jude here just finished up the 2017, what is it?
Hyundai Elantra.
Hyundai Elantra. So he replaced the bulbs and we still had issues. We did a previous video on it and I was pretty certain that the headlight assemblies were bad. Hit it! Yay! High beams, high beams! So it has a weather pack connector that feeds the headlight assemblies. We replaced the bulbs and we still had issues. And we put new headlight assemblies in and everything worked fine. So they put new bulbs in it. You have power feeding them. The problem's inside the headlight assemblies. They ordered these online and we just replaced them. What else do I want to say about this? You have to take the whole bumper cover off. And we also had a bad low beam, so they must have tested it to see if it worked, and it must have blew that fast because this light didn't come on when we had the bumper cover off, or just make sure everything worked before we put it together. And this was out and I said, it's gotta be a bad bulb or something unplugged. And brand new bulb was burnt already. So they must have tested this headlight assembly and that fast it went bad. Thanks for watching, good luck.